Hey guys, this video is totally random. It was just way too random for the Japan channel, so that's why I put it on here. It's for people who haven't lived in a place where there's snow, or haven't experienced much in the way of snow. So we've got some light snow falling here. It's not super cold, but there is snow falling, so it's below zero. But you can hear there's a little bit of noise, but it's generally pretty quiet. And you find the colder the temperature is, the quieter the snow is. And in fact, when it's really, really cold, the snow's just dead quiet because it falls silently. It's absolutely amazing. So you can look out the window, it can be absolutely white with snow falling, but you can hear nothing. So just have a listen to this first, and then we'll move on to the next bit. So have a listen to this. So we can still hear it a bit because it's still a bit wet. The temperature's not real low, but when it gets even lower, it goes dead silent. It still keeps snowing but stays silent. But when it gets above freezing point, when it gets above 0 Celsius, the water, the rain or the snow turns to rain and ice, and then it gets a little hard sound to it. Have a listen to this. Can you hear it? It's raindrops with little bits of ice in them. So have a listen to what it sounds like, and then we'll have a listen to what it sounds like when you're sitting in the car. It'll give you an even better idea. So anyway, have a listen to this. So maybe people that have always lived in an area where they only get rain and they don't get the icy rain and they don't get the snow might have found this a little bit interesting. We've just noticed this from people that come to visit us that aren't used to it, tend to notice these things, and it helps us to notice them, and then we pass them on to you. So I hope at least one person found that amusing. Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.